Hi, I'm Linda Hoth, the Executive Director of the Sioux Convention and Visitors Bureau. And I'm here to thank all the people that have helped us get to this point with a completion date of November 21st, 2025. I am so excited. First, I'd like to thank the Sioux Convention and Visitors Bureau Board of Directors, the I-500 Board of Directors, and the Sioux CVB Dream Team I get to work with. I want to thank the EDA, who is the major grant. It's a $2.5 million grant, and we had to raise 20% of that, which we did. I also want to thank the Great Lakes Sports Commission, that was the first ones to come in with $150,000. The state of Michigan with $250,000. And then we did a patronicity grant, which is a community one, where we raised $114,000. So we raised the 20% that we needed for this grant. This is a big collaboration, and if it wasn't for the city of Sault Ste. Marie, we wouldn't have been able to do any of this, because they are a partner in all of this. So a big thank you to everybody, and you get to see what we're going through, and we are getting towards the end of it.
I'm Morgan Buckmaster. I'm the staff engineer for the city of Sault Ste. Marie. We are at the I-500 track. We are working with the CVB and the contractor, Baco, to help make this project happen. Some of the big milestones have been, we got our pile drivings done with the pavilion foundation, and we got the road base course done just yesterday, actually. And we did the new aggregate path for the walking trail, and some of the drainage issues for the whole project the whole site have been solved, so that's awesome.
Hello, my name's Matt Carpenter. I'm with Baco Construction. I'm the site superintendent for this project. Baco's role for the project, the dirt work, pavement project, seeded mulch, fencing. We were the prime contractor on the job, so we also had mobile construction. The fence itself took about 5 days to do, because there's two fences. One of the big things that I like about the project is to have a big field netting, and also on the north end of the track. That was not accessible really to people. We got the instructions. Or it's not just right here, but to go away up. It's a really nice view of the track. Big to-dos left are we gotta touch up some items and keep washing out. Get some seed down, topsoil, final course of paving, and pavilion. I'm looking forward to getting it done soon, because the weather's going to change here real quick, and the construction doesn't go too well with it this year.